Think you need to spend a fortune for a motorcycle that lasts forever? Think again. This is your ultimate guide to budget-friendly bikes proven to hit 500,000 miles. Don't buy new before you see this. So, let's start. Number 7. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 is a versatile sport bike that has consistently defied expectations regarding its longevity and reliability, proving to be much more durable than its affordable price tag suggests. This motorcycle is lightweight, agile, and incredibly enjoyable to ride. Yet it possesses a robust build that enables it to cover immense distances. Many riders have documented over 300,000 to 500,000 miles on their SV650s with nothing more than routine maintenance, such as oil changes and valve checks, along with a reasonable degree of mechanical care. This level of endurance combines commuter practicality with the excitement typically associated with sportier bikes. Used Suzuki SV650 models are typically available for around $3,500 to $5,000, making them a fantastic bargain for their performance and durability. The core of its enduring performance is the liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This engine is well regarded for its responsive power delivery without being overly aggressive, striking a perfect balance between excitement and ease of management. Its design is straightforward, contributing to its virtual indestructibility. Parts for the SV650 are readily available, and maintenance procedures do not require specialized skills or costly equipment. Fuel economy is excellent, often hovering around 50 miles per gallon. The riding ergonomics offer a comfortable balance that allows for both spirited canyon carving and comfortable daily commuting. Basic chain maintenance is all that's required, and aftermarket support for accessories and upgrades is extensive. The Suzuki SV650 is an unassuming workhorse that quietly outperforms many more expensive machines over time, focusing on enduring reliability rather than fleeting flashiness. If you're looking for a bike that will run forever, the SV650 is a strong contender. Number 6. Yamaha Vstar 650. The Yamaha Vstar 650 is a cruiser that delivers exceptional reliability and surprising longevity. It's built around a simple yet durable air-cooled V-twin engine, a design known for its straightforward mechanics and ease of maintenance. This simplicity means fewer complex electronic systems that could fail over time, contributing to its impressive lifespan. Many riders have reported covering over 200,000 miles, with some even reaching 500,000 miles on the original engine without major overhauls. The Vstar 650 uses a shaft drive system, which significantly reduces maintenance compared to chain drives, eliminating the need for frequent cleaning and lubrication. This makes it an ideal choice for long-distance touring and daily commuting alike. A used Yamaha Vstar 650 typically costs between $3,000 and $5,000, depending on its condition and mileage. This affordability, combined with low insurance costs and readily available, inexpensive parts, makes it a very economical motorcycle to own and operate. Valve adjustments are simple enough for the average home mechanic, avoiding costly dealership visits. The bike offers a classic cruiser feel with a comfortable riding position, suitable for both short trips to the local diner and cross-country adventures. Its dependable nature and minimal demands on your wallet make it a wise choice for riders who value consistent performance and peace of mind on the road. The Yamaha Vstar 650 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a motorcycle that will reliably take you wherever you want to go for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 5. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a highly dependable cruiser, renowned for its ability to cover significant distances without major mechanical issues. Its liquid-cooled V-twin engine is a highlight, offering smooth power delivery, excellent efficiency, and consistent performance even during long rides. This engine is designed for durability, making it less prone to overheating and requiring less constant attention compared to some other designs. Riders in the United States have consistently reported mileage figures ranging from 300,000 to 500,000 miles on these bikes, often without requiring an engine rebuild. The Vulcan 900's belt drive is another key feature contributing to its low maintenance. As it's quieter and cleaner than a chain drive, and requires less frequent adjustment or replacement. You can typically find a well-maintained used Kawasaki Vulcan 900 for around $4,500 to $6,000, making it a strong value proposition for its impressive capabilities. Fuel economy is also a benefit, with riders often achieving mileage in the 40s per gallon, translating to fewer fuel stops and lower running costs. Comfort is a priority with the Vulcan 900, featuring a wide supportive seat and a relaxed riding posture. When equipped with an aftermarket windshield, it provides good wind protection, making long journeys more comfortable and reducing rider fatigue. Its robust build, combined with its easy-to-manage size and reliable components, positions the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 as a true workhorse in a classic cruiser package. For riders seeking a long-haul companion that is both affordable and exceptionally reliable, the Vulcan 900 is an outstanding option that consistently delivers. Number 4. Honda Nighthawk 750. The Honda Nighthawk 750 is a classic example of Honda's engineering philosophy: simple, robust, and incredibly long-lasting. This motorcycle is celebrated for its low maintenance requirements and remarkable longevity, often outliving many of its contemporaries. At its core is Honda's legendary air-cooled inline-4 engine. This power plant is known for being virtually indestructible, running smoothly and reliably for decades with proper care. It is not a high-revving, fragile sport bike engine, but rather a workhorse designed for consistent performance over vast distances. Many Nighthawk 750 owners report minimal oil consumption and leaks, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. If you adhere to regular fluid changes and valve inspections, this motorcycle is likely to keep running for generations. A clean, used Honda Nighthawk 750 can often be acquired for under $4,000, representing one of the most affordable pathways to achieving very high mileage. The absence of complex fuel injection systems, relying instead on simple carburetors, means fewer electronic components to troubleshoot and maintain, enhancing its long-term reliability. Maintenance costs for the Nighthawk 750 are exceptionally low, primarily consisting of routine tasks like chain lubrication, oil changes, and tire replacements. Parts are still widely available and reasonably priced, easily found without resorting to specialized dealerships or extensive searching. The Honda Nighthawk 750 doesn't boast about its capabilities. It simply performs, making it a fantastic choice for riders who prioritize unwavering reliability and minimal ownership costs over flashy features. It's a testament to timeless design and solid engineering. Number 3. Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X stands as a testament to the fact that a motorcycle doesn't need a large engine displacement to be incredibly durable and capable of high mileage. This lightweight and user-friendly bike has surprised many with its longevity. Riders have documented these small single-cylinder machines easily surpassing 200,000 miles, and with meticulous care, they can approach or even exceed 400,000 miles. This level of durability is rarely seen in its class, making it a unique and practical choice for riders. The bike's charm lies in its retro styling, which conceals a modern, fuel-injected, air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine is remarkably simple, featuring only one cylinder and two valves, contributing to its high reliability and ease of maintenance. It operates with a smooth, almost sewing machine-like precision and sips fuel very efficiently, making it an extremely economical choice for daily use. A used Suzuki TU250X can often be purchased for a very accessible price, typically ranging from $2,500 to $4,000. While it's not designed for high-speed freeway riding, it excels in urban commuting, casual weekend rides, and general everyday use. Maintenance is exceptionally straightforward on the TU250X. Valve checks are simple, and oil changes take only a few minutes. Its straightforward design means you can perform most maintenance tasks in your garage without specialized tools or advanced mechanical knowledge. The Suzuki TU250X is a budget-friendly powerhouse. It may not be the fastest bike on the road, but its unwavering reliability and minimal running costs make it a perfect companion for riders seeking a charming, long-lasting machine that is truly built to endure. Number 2. Kawasaki Versus 650. The Kawasaki Versus 650 is a highly adaptable motorcycle that blends commuter practicality with adventure touring capabilities, all while boasting exceptional long-distance reliability. This bike is known for enduring very high mileage, with many owners reporting over 300,000 miles on their machines with only standard maintenance. For those who care for it diligently, reaching 400,000 miles is a realistic goal. Its liquid-cooled parallel twin engine is a highlight, praised for its smoothness, fuel efficiency, and robust construction. Kawasaki designed this engine to be uncomplicated and dependable, ensuring it starts consistently and maintains optimal operating temperature, whether you're navigating congested city traffic or cruising through mountain passes. Used Kawasaki Versus 650 models typically range from $4,500 to $6,500, offering excellent value for a bike that delivers such versatile performance and durability. Its low maintenance requirements are a significant advantage. Valve adjustment intervals are generous, and chain maintenance is simple. Owners rarely report catastrophic mechanical failures, allowing riders to use the bike daily, year-round, and across various terrains, from urban environments to light off-road trails. The Versus 650 also provides a comfortable riding experience thanks to its upright seating position, effective suspension, and adequate wind protection, which helps prevent fatigue on long rides. The Kawasaki Versus 650 might not be the most visually flashy motorcycle, but it is fiercely dependable. It's a practical, capable machine that consistently proves its worth over time, making it an ideal choice for riders who need a bike that will keep going long after many others have retired. Number 1. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 is a cruiser that embodies old-school reliability and tank-like durability, consistently proving its ability to outlast many other motorcycles. This bike is known for its smooth operation and straightforward design, making it an incredibly dependable choice for riders seeking a long-term companion. It's not uncommon to find well-maintained used models for around $3,500 to $5,000, which is an excellent price for a motorcycle that can easily surpass 300,000 miles and, with consistent oil changes and valve checks, can approach 400,000 miles. The liquid-cooled V-twin engine is a key factor in its impressive mileage capability. It is tuned for consistent and reliable performance rather than raw power, ensuring a predictable and comfortable ride every time. A significant advantage of the Honda Shadow 750 is its shaft drive system, which eliminates the need for chain maintenance, sprocket replacements, and frequent lubrication. This means less downtime for upkeep and more time on the road. Fuel economy is generally good, averaging in the mid-40s miles per gallon, contributing to lower running costs and extended riding ranges between fill-ups. The bike features a low seat height and a comfortable riding position, making it accessible to a wide range of riders and ensuring comfort on long hauls. Parts are widely available and very affordable, making any necessary repairs or replacements economical. The Honda Shadow 750 is a testament to unwavering dependability. It may not win drag races, but it will reliably take you on countless journeys, making it the perfect choice for riders who value a relaxed, consistent, and exceptionally durable cruiser. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that goes the distance without breaking the bank, these are your top picks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights.